हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, क्वाड्रिलेटरल, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स, टाइप्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम्स। नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन. In the previous class, we have studied about the lines, angles and their properties. In this lesson, we shall discuss about the quadrilaterals, its various parts and properties. Classification of quadrilaterals will also be discussed in details. Now, quadrilateral. A closed figure with sides is called quadrilaterals. In the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD has first 4 sides AB, BC, CD and AD. This one. Second, 4 vertices A, B, C and D. These are. Third, 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Fourth, 2 diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD. Now, adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Any 2 sides of a quadrilateral having one common point are called adjacent sides. For example, AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB are adjacent sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. AB and BC, B common है, BC and CD, C common है, CD and DA, D common है, DA and AB, A common है. Now, opposite sides of a quadrilateral. 2 sides of a quadrilateral with no common point are called opposite sides. For example, in the quadrilateral ABCD, AB and CD, AD and BC are opposite sides. AB, CD and BC, DA. Now next is adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. 2 angles of a quadrilateral having one common arm are called adjacent angles. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A and angle B and angle C and angle D and angle A are adjacent angles. Next, opposite angles of a quadrilateral. 2 angles of a quadrilateral not having common arm are called its opposite angles. In the quadrilateral ABCD, angle A and angle C, angle B and angle D are opposite angles. Now, properties of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. The sum of 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD, mark the 4 angles and label them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cut out the quadrilateral region ABCD along its sides and divide it into 4 parts as shown in figure. ये ABCD हमारा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, एंगल 1, 2, 3, 4 और इसको हमने क्या कर लिया, इस तरह से कट कर लिया. Now arrange 4 parts such that all angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 are adjacent angles as shown in the figure given below. इस तरह से हम क्या करेंगे, इनको adjust कर लेंगे. We would observe that all these 4 angles together complete an angle around a point. सारे मिलकर क्या कर रहे हैं, ये एक complete angle बना रहे हैं. Hence, the sum of 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल के चारों इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है, 360 डिग्री. नाउ थ्योरम 1. द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज 360 डिग्री. प्रूफ करते हैं. Let ABCD be any quadrilateral. Draw one of its diagonals AC. ABCD एक quadrilateral है, हमने उसका एक diagonal draw किया AC. Clearly, we have angle A is equals to angle 1 plus angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3, and angle C is equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, in triangle ABC, A, B and C, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle B is equals to 180 degree, and in triangle ACD, ऊपर वाली triangle में, we have angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Adding the angles on either side we get, हम क्या करेंगे, इनको add कर लेंगे, इसको भी और इसको भी. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle D is equals to 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 किसके इक्वल है, angle A के इक्वल, plus B, B as it is लिखा. Angle 3 plus angle 4 किसके इक्वल है, angle C के इक्वल, and D as it is, that is equals to 360 degree. Now it's proved, hence proved. Now next is interior and exterior angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral are called its interior angles. If the side of a quadrilateral are produced in order as shown in figure, इस तरह से इनको बढ़ाया जाता है, जैसे ए बी को हमने इधर बढ़ाया, इसको इधर बढ़ाया, इसको इधर बढ़ाया और इसको इस साइड. Then angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 are called the exterior angles of the quadrilateral. Now theorem 2. If the sides of a quadrilateral are produced in order, the sum of the four exterior angles so formed is 360 degree. Proof करते हैं. Let the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD be produced in order as shown in figure, forming exterior angles angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. We know that the sum of the angles of a linear pair is 180 degree. So, angle 1 plus angle A, angle 1 plus angle A is equals to 180 degree. In the same way, angle 2 plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. And adding the angles on either side we get. हम सबको add कर लेंगे, right? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle A plus B plus C plus D. That is equals to 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 is equals to 720 degree. Now, angle A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 360 degree. अभी हमने प्रूफ किया है. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, A plus B plus C plus D 360 degree है. अपोजिट साइड जाके 720 में से माइनस हो गया. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 360 degree. Hence proved. Example करते हैं. Example 1. The four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find the angles. Solution करते हैं इसका. Let the angles be 3x degree, 4x degree, 5x degree and 6x degree. Then 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equals to 360 degree. Angle sum property. Now add किया x को सभी को, that is equals to 18x is equals to 360 degree. Now x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. हम क्या करेंगे, 360 अपॉन 18, 18 टू जा 36, 20 डिग्री. x की वैल्यू कितनी आई, 20 डिग्री. सो द फर्स्ट एंगल ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज इक्वल्स टू 3x, 3 into 20 is equals to 60 degree. The second angle of the quadrilateral 4x, 4 into 20 is equals to 80 degree. The third angle of quadrilateral is 5x, 5 into 20 is equals to 100 degree. And the fourth angle of quadrilateral is 6x, 6 into 20 is equals to 120 degree. Now example 2. In the adjoining figure, the bisector of angle A and angle B meet at a point O. If angle C is equals to 100 degree and angle D is equals to 50 degree. Find the measure of angle AOB. AOB means इस एंगल को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. Here angle A plus angle B plus angle 50 degree plus angle 100 degree, that is equals to 360 degree. That means A plus B plus C plus D is equals to कितना है 360 degree. C हमारा कितना है 100 degree and D हमारा कितना है 50 degree. Now angle A plus B is equals to 360 minus 150 degree is equals to 210 degree. In triangle AOB, angle AOB is equals to 180 minus angle AOB, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है 180 डिग्री है. तो एंगल AOB क्या है 180 में से एंगल हाफ ऑफ एंगल A एंड हाफ ऑफ एंगल B को माइनस कर देंगे. 180 माइनस एंगल OAB प्लस एंगल OBA, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 180 माइनस हाफ ऑफ एंगल A प्लस एंगल B. दोनों क्या है हाफ ऑफ एंगल है और A प्लस B अभी कितना निकाला हमने 210 डिग्री. सो 1/2 इंटू 210 डिग्री. 180 माइनस हाफ कितना होगा 105, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 75 डिग्री. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अप्लाई योर लर्निंग. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x इफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर 55 डिग्री, 69 डिग्री, 39 डिग्री एंड x डिग्री. तीनों का टोटल करो, 360 में से माइनस करो, x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी. सेकेंड, द एंगल्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटर आर इन द रेशियो 6:3:4:5. फाइंड ऑल एंगल्स. तो 6x प्लस 3x प्लस 4x प्लस 5x इज इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्री. x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो और एंगल्स फाइंड आउट करो. इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स. नाउ फर्स्ट इज ट्रेपेजियम. A quadrilateral which has exactly one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium if its known parallel sides are equal. Thus, ABCD is an isosceles if AB parallel to DC and AD is equals to BC. Now second is kite. A quadrilateral having two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides is called a kite. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a kite in which AB is equals to AD and BC is equals to CD, but AD is not equals to BC and AB is not equals to CD. Now third is parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal is called a parallelogram. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Now, properties of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, first, each diagonal divides it into two congruent triangles. Second, the opposite sides are equal. Third, the opposite angles are equal. And fourth, the diagonals bisect each other. Now, proof. Let us consider a parallelogram ABCD. Draw its diagonal AC. Now, in triangle ABC and CDA, we have angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Both are alternate angles. Angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. AC common side. So, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Angle side angle property. So, AB is equals to CD and BC is equals to DA. Also, angle B is equals to angle D. Similarly, by drawing the diagonal BD, अगर हम इस diagonal को draw करते हैं, we can prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. From this, we get angle A is equals to angle C. This proves 1, 2 and 3. In order to prove 4, let us consider a parallelogram ABCD. Draw its diagonals AC and BD intersecting each other at a point O. In triangle OAB and OCD, we have AB is equals to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram OAB and COD. AB is equals to CD, that is opposite sides of a parallelogram. Angle COD is equals to angle AOB, vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Angle DCO is equals to angle OAB, alternate angles. So, triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD. Hence, OA is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. This shows that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now, next is types of parallelograms. First is rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle is called rectangle. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a rectangle in which AB parallel to CD, AD parallel to BC and angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. Now next, second is rhombus. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal is called a rhombus. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a rhombus in which AB parallel to DC, AD parallel to BC and AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Now third is square. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and each angle is equal to a right angle is called a square. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a square in which AB parallel to DC, AD parallel to BC, AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA and angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. The converse of the above properties. First, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. Second, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are equal. Third, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its diagonals bisect each other. Fourth, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if it has one pair of opposite sides parallel and equal. Now next is diagonal property of a rectangle. Theorem. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Proof करते हैं. Let ABCD be a rectangle having diagonals AC and BD. In triangle DAB and triangle CBA, we have AB is equals to BA common, AD is equals to BC, opposite sides of a rectangle. Angle DAB is equals to angle CBA, each angle to 90 degrees. So, triangle DAB congruent to triangle CBA. So, BD is equals to AC. Hence, the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Now, next is diagonal property of rhombus. Theorem. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Proof करते हैं. Since every rhombus is a parallelogram and so the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, let ABCD be a rhombus having diagonals AC and BD intersecting at point O. Now, in triangle COD and triangle COB, we have CD is equals to CB, sides of a rhombus, CO is equals to CO, common, OD is equals to OB, O is the midpoint of BD. So, by SSS rule, triangle COD is congruent to triangle COB. So, angle COB is equals to angle COD. But angle COB plus angle COD is equals to two right angles. So, COB is equals to COB is equals to one right angle. Thus, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Now, summary. We may summarize the properties of a rhombus as follows. First, the opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel. Second, all the sides of a rhombus are equal. Third, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Fourth, the opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. Now, diagonal property of a square. Theorem. We know that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal, but every square is a rectangle, so the diagonals of a square are equal. Further, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles, but every square is a rhombus, so the diagonals of a square bisect each other at right angles. Example करते हैं. Example 1. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle DAO is equals to 40 degree, angle BAO is equals to 30 degree, and angle COD is equals to 105 degree. Calculate angle ABO, angle ODC, angle ACB and angle CBD. Solution करते हैं. We have angle AOB is equals to angle COD, that is equals to 105 degree, vertically opposite angles. But the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, angle ABO is equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree plus 105 degree, that is equals to 45 degree. Angle ODC is equals to angle ABO, that is 45 degree, alternate interior angles. Angle ACB is equals to angle DAO is equals to 40 degree, alternate interior angles. Now, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree, angle B is equals to 180 degree minus A. कितना है? 70 degree, that is B is equals to कितना आ गया हमारा? 110 degree. Now, angle ABO plus angle CBD is equals to 110 degree, or angle CBD is equals to 105 degree minus 45 degree is equals to 60 degree, because angle ABO is equals to 45 degree. Now, example 2. In the adjacent figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. If angle A is equals to 75 degree, calculate B, C and D. Solution करते हैं. AD parallel to BC and AB is a transversely. So, the sum of the interior angles of the same side of AB must be 180 degree. So, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Angle A कितना है? 75 degree plus B is equals to 180 degree. B की वैल्यू निकाली. Angle B is equals to 180 minus 75 degree, that is equals to 105 degree. So, angle C is equals to angle A, that is 75 degree, opposite angles of a parallelogram, and angle D is equals to angle B, that is equals to 105 degree, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Example 3. Two sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio 5:3. If its perimeter is 64 centimeter, find the length of its sides. Solution करते हैं. Let the length of two sides of the parallelogram be 5x centimeter and 3x centimeter respectively. Perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 5x plus 3x centimeter is equals to 16x centimeter, that is equals to 64. X की वैल्यू निकली 64 upon 16 is equals to 4, and side is equals to 5 into 4 centimeter is equals to 20 centimeter, and other side is equals to 3 into 4 centimeter is equals to 12 centimeter. Now, example 4. Show that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Solution करते हैं. Let ABCD be a cyclic parallelogram. We know that the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So, angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. We also know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So, angle A is equals to angle C is equals to 90 degree. Hence, ABCD is a rectangle. Now, next is apply your learning. In the adjacent figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQ parallel to SR angle PSR is equals to 80 degree and angle QRP is equals to 55 degree. Find angle PQR and angle PRS. PQR, this angle, and angle PRS, PR and S, this angle. यहाँ पे आप ये 80 डिग्री है तो Q भी हमारा कितना होगा 80 डिग्री. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी निकाल के आप निकाल सकते हैं. और ये हमारा 80 डिग्री है, ये 80 डिग्री है, तो ये अपोजिट एंगल्स क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. 180 में से आप माइनस कर लेंगे तो वहाँ से आप दोनों एंगल निकाल सकते हैं. इसी तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.